Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you like, or click the bell for notifications when new videos come out. I'm going to try and post a little bit more often. The pandemic has been relatively difficult for me, and after getting back from Jamaica, my life was kind of in disarray, but we are now kind of back in the swing of things, and hopefully I'll be posting a little bit more often. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and catch us next time. This is SC Woodworks.